to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel and for Tech Pashto. Today we will talk about future perfect tense. Future perfect tense show an action that will be finished at a particular time in the future. Future perfect tense show कबीरा action that will be finished और मुकम्मल शोएगी at a particular time in the future. في خاص time की मुस्तकबिल की पर रवान वक्त की. For example, यो example दासी दे ची माबा क्रिकेट गेम ख़त्म करे हुए. For example दाशंती मुंगा इसके वाले शो मुस्तकबिल की यो finish हुए यो मुकम्मल कर मुंगा शो को. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस उर्दू पहचान दे. उर्दू का पहचान जो है वो चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होगे. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब will have, shall have. Word form for example, go and gun. He, she, that singular names are among you. Go will have, you, we, they, I. Plural names are among you. Go shall have. The muksade future perfect tense positive structure subject will have, shall have plus verb third form plus rest of the sentence. For example, she will have eaten food. वो खाना खा चुकी होगी. Second example, they shall have played cricket. Third example, he will have slept. Second one, negative sentence, subject will, shall plus not plus have plus third form of verb plus rots rest of the sentence. For example, she will not have eaten food. वो खाना नहीं खा चुकी होगी. Second example, they shall not have played cricket. Third example, they will not have slept. Third one is interrogative sentence, सवालिया जुमले will, shall plus subject plus have plus third form of verb plus rest of sentence, and the last sign of interrogation यानी सवालिया निशान. For example, will she have eaten food? क्या वो खाना खा चुकी होगी. Second, will he have slept? Thanks for watching. See you in the next time. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.